So this video is talking about making sure that you are registered for your AP exam and when the deadlines are to register. So I will attach this, what is this called? Oh my heavens. Guess what? We're just gonna leave this in the recording because that's real life. So I will attach this tuition waiver reduction form in the module for today. So if you're a distance learner, you have it. If you are a distance learner, you need to get into AP Classroom and join this class. So you can just Google AP Classroom and it'll be one of the first few options, if not the first option. If you haven't registered for it ever, because this is your first AP class, you're going to register and use your email that you want your scores sent to. It does not have to be a school email. It can be any email, because when you get your scores and when they give you information about your exam, they're going to send all of that info to the email that you register with. These are the join codes for the different periods. So if you're in class and you haven't joined yet, make sure that you join as soon as possible. In fact, when we go over comparing distributions, you can join while we're talking about that. So once you join AP Classroom and you enter in the class code for whatever class you're in, I believe it automatically registers you for the exam. So I borrowed one of my students' login just to check. And down here where it says this class, it says that she is registered for the exam. Notice that it gives you the date, May 13th, and it starts at noon. It goes for 3 hours and 45 minutes. So when you get into and register for the class, I believe it registers you for the exam. Now what this paper is, sorry, didn't mean to make myself big again, oopsie. What this paper is, I printed it because I wanted everybody to have these deadlines at the top. So AP exams, all of them cost $95. If you have free or reduced lunch, yours only costs $27. And everybody needs to make a deposit by October 25th. So that's coming up pretty soon. So you're all registered for it if you're in AP Classroom, but this deposit is due by October 25th. That reserves your exam so that they know how many they need to produce in the spring. So if you need help with any of this money, because Cypress, our administration, is really big on all of you guys taking the exam. Like, they want everybody to take the exam no matter what, even if you think that you're going to fail the exam, because for some colleges, you just taking the exam puts you at an advantage even if you fail. So like for very competitive universities, the first set of kids that they look at coming in are kids that have taken AP courses. So the first set is the kids that pass their exams, and then the next group of kids that they look at are kids that took the exam but didn't pass. And then they look at kids that took AP courses and then everybody else. So it really does put you at an advantage to take it, even if you're like, I don't know that I'm going to pass. Our administration really wants everybody to take it. And so if you need help with any of the cost, if you need help with part of the cost, if you're on fee waiver and you need help with the $27, if you just need help with the deposit because your parents don't get paid till whenever, so they're not going to be able to make that $40 by the 25th, you just fill this out and turn it in, and then the administration will take it from there. I don't think they've ever denied anybody. So if you need help with the cost, you fill this out. You don't have to turn it in to me. You just turn it into the front office, I believe. Is that true? Yeah. Or you can turn it in to me if you want to. Or you turn it into the financial secretary. Just make sure you turn it into somebody is what I'm getting at. Okay? Are there any questions on this? None? So you know when your deadline is? You know it's coming? You're sure? Everybody's good? Okay. I would write these down somewhere. Okay, bye, distance learners. Love you.